The first thing that I do when I arrive on a scene, a place, for instance, a place that I have never shot or something like that, the first thing that I do, if I pick a spot, when I get to that spot, I always turn around and do a 360 view of that spot, because a lot of times we lock ourselves, lock our view into one single spot, and sometimes there's a better spot here on your left or on your right or behind you. Sometimes not better, but sometimes as good as the other spot. So which means that that would be a second shoot location that you're going to shoot, a second shoot, compositional element that you're going to use, but you're not moving to a different location, which saves you time, traveling time. Okay, so start doing this, guys. Start doing this when you get to a scene. So you pick a spot. Okay, this is where you're going to start, and when you get there, stop, breathe, right, and do a 360 degrees, and let's see how much stuff you find around you that you didn't see for the first time. Because sometimes when we lock our eyes into one spot, we just walk straight to that location, right, and we shoot, and we go to a different location. Location finding, there's this thing, location scouting, there's this thing that we need to find different spots on the same location. And you know what? Sometimes we don't. A lot of times I'm shooting, I'm really confined in one or two or three spots really close to each other. So it's just like a little walk here and there. But when I look at this type of stuff, I'm looking what's in front of me, what's the foreground, what's the midground, and what's the background.